Okay, we have allowed our sand ground to dry, and now it is. I've hung it back up here temporarily, and then I like to go over it just with my fingers and brush off any really excess sand or pumice. This is just plain old play sand that I used. You can use pumice, which gives you a finer tooth. But play sand works fine, just pure silica, and just dust it off a little bit, and it is now dry enough. And the next thing that I'd like to do is I like to work on a nice flat surface, so I will tape this in place, even though I've got these to hold it. I like to tape it flat against the surface and kind of stretch it so that it holds it flatter while I paint. So tape it off. You can use any kind of tape that you like, masking tape. This is a special kind of masking tape, ideal for paper and woods. Almost anything other than Scotch will work. It will just help hold the whole thing much flatter for our purposes. And now we are ready to start actually beginning to apply the drawing part of the painting.